Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a website created with Bolt.new so you can make it available online and share it with anyone. First, open your web browser and go to Bolt.new. Then sign in to your account and open the project you want to publish. Before deploying, make sure your website is working properly by checking the preview and testing the main features, buttons, and pages. Once everything looks good, look for the Publish option in the Bolt.new interface and click it. Depending on the current version of Bolt.new, you may see options for publishing or deploying your project. Then do some steps, such as the site name or domain if those options are available. Bolt.new will then build and deploy your project, which may take a few moments. When the deployment is complete, you'll receive a public website link that you can open in a new browser tab to make sure everything is working correctly. You can then copy that link and share your website with others. If you want to use your own custom domain, check the domain settings in the publishing options. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,